Mic check 1 2. Man, I just did a whole video, ran through the whole entire platform, loaded money up, bought a coin, got up, and it's still going. Well, it was up higher. It was up like almost 60%. Then realized that there was no sound. I wasn't recording any sound. I clicked on the OBS and there was no sound recording. So I'm gonna start over. And so I can't believe this. Hold on, maybe I should sell this first. You know what? Whatever happens, happens. Let's go to the video. So I wanted to go through this real quick in case somebody was looking to try to find some new projects, some new investments, and you want to do your own research. You want to be diligent, but you're serious about, trying to find some things that could potentially be a good investment, and you want to get there early. Or if you just want to day trade, you want to trade crypto, you think it's fun, or if you just want to pass time. Either way, either way, this project is dope. This platform is dope. I'll leave a link in the description, and I'll try to make it as quick as possible. I'm gonna take my time so that I can really go through Gbot from Gemach and show the different things that they got going on. So when you get here, this is going to be the main page that you come to. You're going to have yourself a MetaMask wallet. You can do this on your phone, but it's easier to do it on the laptop. From my perspective, from what I do, it's easier to do this from the laptop or from a computer because you can see everything and it's easier to navigate. You can have multiple screens, easier to click on multiple screens. But you're gonna need to load up with MetaMask. So you get MetaMask, come here, you log in, and then you're gonna be able to see all the tokens that are getting launched right here in discovery mode. So as you can see, this one says 15 seconds, 17 seconds, 6 seconds, 10 seconds, 11 seconds, 9 seconds, and then it got 103 days, 435 days, 6 days. It also has liquidity. You can see this one just started off. See if we can get another one. That one just started off 5 seconds ago, 134 SOL in there. There's no volume. There's no buy tax. No volume because nobody's traded it yet. Market cap, 31.36 thousand. And then you have the audit results over here. The top 10 holders. So this X right here, if you click on it, if you click on the token Fart Coin, right? The top 10 holders hold less than 15%, or if this percentage owned by top 10 holders highlighted in red, if ownership is above 15%. So a lot of times, if it's on pump fund, then it would be in the bonding curve. But you see this one is almost over the bonding curve. It's at 97%. But one thing you got to watch out for is you got to watch out for these rugs. Let's see if this coin rugs right quick. But that's one thing that you got to look out for. But when you click on the token, they should have some kind of links here, something going on to show you, like Twitter. They got a web page. Let's go to the web page.
Hi,
It's a YouTube page. We're not watching that right now, right? So it shows you the price USD and the price in SOL since we're on the Solana blockchain, right? And it shows you the liquidity, market cap, supply. You can buy here and you can sell here if you want to. You can sell 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%. You can also sell in your portfolio, and you can change how much you want to buy. You can enter the amount that you want to buy here. See, look, they just sold $22,000. See, They just sold it. Let's see it. I want to see this low back up. I want you to see this green or this red thing. Somebody just sold another 1,000. It was at 5 seconds when we first got here, so that didn't even last 5 seconds ago. Yep, everybody's dumping now. I bet. Let's see if we can refresh it. Yeah, it's not even gonna load it up. Go to deck screener. Look at that. Dumped. Oh snap! Somebody went and bought some. That's crazy. Wow. Hold up. Oh, they're just going back and buying it again. So it looks like what they're trying to do is, hold on. I don't want to be wrong. Let me see. I only got an opportunity. Let's see. Yeah, no, I'm good. That's crazy. They just want to make it seem like it's going up and then dump on everybody, you know? But you can see all the stuff that's going on here. Anyways, I'm getting distracted. So let's just go back to Gbot trading. Okay, so we're here on discovery, and you can change this to 0.1. It'll pop up right here on the side. See? And so that's the first one, that's the second one, that's the middle one. So then when you're looking at the tokens, if you like what you see just by looking at it, you can just click on buy and it'll buy it for you real quick. And you can keep looking. It has a filter where you can filter by liquidity, volume, age, market cap, and 24-hour change. And those are all the parameters that were basically here inside the token on every token. See, look, they dumped already. That's what you gotta look out for. That's the benefit of using Gbot, is you don't have to get dumped on. It's letting you know every time a token is created, but you don't want to just go off buying anything because you see how quick you see how quick they do it. Look, didn't even last 30 seconds. Didn't even last 30 seconds. They get in, you buy, and they dump on you. So make sure you do your own research. No links. Be careful out there. Serious. And they're trying to copy Spore AI probably. So that's discovery. As you can see, it's going to change up. It's just going to randomly just shoot through coins. See? You can pause it by placing it over the audit results. So the 10% or the 15% is owned by the top 10 holders on more than 15%. So that's red. The lock liquidity, that means the liquidity is locked, is 100%. The mint authority and the freeze authority. Okay. You see, ability to freeze token accounts. Percentage of token supply locked for a specified amount of time. This is generally a positive that the project team is committed to a longer term. So if 100% of the liquidity is locked, like that means that they can't take they're not going to rug you. They're not going to take the funds out like that. Or they're not going to send all the tokens to themselves and then dump on you when you buy. You know? And that's why it's good to have links so you can do your own research. And that's what this project and this platform is good for. It's not all scams. This is just letting you know everybody that's launching a token. See, up to 45 seconds. What I like to look for is make sure that they have a picture. You see, look. Make sure that they have a picture. If you look at the ones that have been around for a while, like this one's been around for 39 days. It's got a picture. It's got links. It's got Twitter. It's got X, and it's got a website. Elon for AFD. So if you click on the Twitter, right, they got 5,000 followers. They got their contract address in the bio. They got the ticker right here. You know what I mean? You see that they joined December 2024. I don't know nobody that's following them, but somebody's buying their token. They've been around for a few days. Oh, it looks like they're a foreign company, or they're hitting people in different parts of the world. So that's dope. You know that they got a big reach. What's this? Oh, they was on some chart. What chart is this? You never know, right? And then it looks like they have engagement with their post, right? It looks like they have some type of engagement going on with their post. So, I mean, that's a good thing. Yeah, they get an engagement. That's dope. So, those are the things, kind of some of the things that you want to look for to kind of determine if you want to, get involved with trading a token. If you just want to just look and trade it, you can see like, okay, in the last 24 hours, it's up 13% and it's down 2% in the last 2 hours. You look at the chart and see what it typically does. And right here, you can also just click on a deck screener and you can look at the chart and see what it does, see where resistance and support is at, you know what I mean? And do your technical analysis to determine if you want to buy this token or not. It looks like it's dumping right now, but from the history, it looks like this might be a good point. I don't know. It may dump down further. Who knows? I haven't been trading this token. I don't know what the community is like, so who knows? It looks like from historic. Oh yeah, looks like it's about to dump. If you ask me, it's due for a big dump right now. Look, that looks like the pattern of this token. Dumps, goes up a little bit, dumps, dumps. It's never really rising back to its true value though. Let's just scale all the way out. Oh, that's it. Oh, no, it's rising a little bit by a little bit. It's okay. That's actually a good thing. That's what I like to see. I like to see that. I don't like to see like a big super spike and then, they never rise again to that glory. I don't like to see that. I like to see like a good steady rise. You know, that's what I like to see. That's actually good. I like to see that. It's trading at 9 cents a token. You can see right here the price of SOL, right? And then you got your token address right here. You got the pair address, so you can type those in SoulScan if you want. You can check out the website. The first meme token that bridges the gap between Elon Musk's influence in German politics. See? Save Germany, Europe, and join our trip to Mars. See? Dope. Foreign company. Oh, looks like somebody just bought, and then you got some sell pressure. But if you look down here, top 10 holders hold 18%. Only 68% of the liquidity is locked. That doesn't mean it's a bad project. They just might have plans for the project, so then you can hop in Telegram and you can see what they're talking about. But I mean, it's been around for 39 days. It looks legit for now. This project has been around for an hour and 35 minutes and it's up 7.85 million%. Right? So yeah, you can just check out different things and come and see it's up 10% in the last 5 minutes. So it's still kind of rising a little bit. They got a big jump right here, and then it's just climbing all the way up. Official Baron token? I don't know, bro. Let's see. 0% liquidity locked. That's a risk. It's been going for an hour, but they've only gotten 10% gains versus that. Like, they're going to dump. 0% of the liquidity is locked. They're going to dump. They're just trying to make it seem like that so they can get a highlight reel one time. You know what I mean? Anyways, so that's discovery. Then you got your portfolio. And see, I bought this token earlier and I'm still up 28%. let's just leave it there, see what it does for the day. Since I'm up 28%, I might sell it because you never know with these tokens. Can't really expect them to do too much, but it looks like this one's trying to make a comeback. Lightweight. See what it does. So this is your portfolio. I have I also bought another token too, and so you see it shows you the percentage that you're up, and it changes in real time, which is dope. And you can just sell it right here if you want to sell it. 150, 25%, or you can type in the amount that you want to sell, right? And then another dope thing is you can show your zero balances. So this is the other token that I had bought that I had got rugged on. I had actually showed what it's like to get rugged. It wasn't a whole lot. It was just 0.0001 or something like that I had bought of Solana. This one I'm up about 0.005 Solana. That's what I invested. And then the current worth is 0.0065, and I'm up 30%. And you can copy the token address. You can actually click on the token and it'll take you to the chart. You can click on the deck screener from here and see everything else that's going on with the token right here. See, as you can see, this one is 99% liquidity locked. Top 10 holders hold 8.8%. Pulled FAFO is 61.025 million, right? You can take these tokens and you can put them in a liquidity pool and earn fees off of the transactions. Every time somebody makes a transaction, all depending on your percentage of the pool, you can make money. That's a whole entire other video. Okay, so let's go back to portfolio, and you can import tokens. If you got a token that is not showing up, you can just import the token. But like it says, anyone can create a token, including fake tokens and versions of extra tokens. So you can do that. There's a lot of scammers in this DeFi space. But I mean, if you want to get a leg up, you got to take some type of risk. You just got to know how to navigate these waters the right way. And this is a ship to navigate these waters. Okay, so let's check out Memescope. This is like one of my favorite aspects of this entire platform. It's because they got newly created tokens. Every time a token is created, 7 seconds, 12 seconds, 8 seconds, 3 seconds, you see, it's brand new. And it has a token address. And what I like to look for is if they got some links, like they should, if they got links to their stuff, and if they got a picture, that's the first thing I'm looking for. Right here off top. Now, when it says newly created and about to graduate, see it says about to graduate, and then it says newly created, they're talking about Pump Fund. Pump.fund is a platform where anybody can launch a meme token, and anybody can buy it. And so this is letting you know anytime one is launched, and this one is letting you know anytime when it's about to graduate from the bonding curve. What's this? So you gotta be in the trenches. They dumped. But what is this? Yeah, see, look, they're trying to scam somebody. They have nothing about a Solana token. Nothing about a Solana token. Nothing about coming to Solana. Somebody made the token and somebody put it here, put their Blue, quiet. Blue, knock it off. Leave the cat alone. And so somebody came here and made this token. Blue, no. Sorry, man, my dog. Always worrying about these cats. He don't like cats. But yeah, anyways, they'll put a fake Twitter account there just to get your attention, just to get you to like hurry up and buy it. Like, oh yeah, this is legit. But you got to do your own research. They got a sexy red token. Hold up. Sometimes you got to check these things out, and it's good to know what's popping off at the moment. You know what I mean? Medicaid. See, right now because they're talking about a lot of political stuff. Like, watch. We'll go to Bubble Map. You'll see what I'm talking about. because of the politics that's going on, you have like a lot of Trump tokens, a lot of Elon tokens. Like if somebody got a cool meme that's coming out, they'll make a meme token about the meme, or if it's a cool, a popular reel or something like that. You know what I mean? See FAFO, FAFO. There's a couple of those ones. See, but people buy them though, and if you get in at the right time, you can get some of that percentage up, like I am right now over here in my portfolio with that one token that I just uploaded, Mr. B. So you can kind of see deep. So DeepSeek, that's some technology stuff. DeepSeek launched, and so now everybody keeps making these DeepSeek tokens. But you see, it's up 38%, up 51%. If you get in at the right time and you got enough for the percentage in there, you can make some gains. And this is how you do it. This is how you navigate these waters, and you make a clearer decision about what you want to buy, and you come up with a strategic plan. You know what I mean? So you don't get dumped on. So that's bubble maps. Then you got the bridge. You can bridge from Solana. You can bridge BNB, Ethereum on Base, Sui, and you can bridge to all those chains. You can bridge between those chains. You just put the amount you want to send, and you'll get ETH. And then this is what I'm really excited about to try. I'm gonna try this today. This is the copy trade. So you can put in a token, you put in a label, what you want to call it, a priority fee. And then the priority fee is basically like if this person puts in a transaction, the blockchain reads that if you got a priority fee that's higher than theirs, you'll get there before them, and you can get a higher percentage than them. So then that's like if you know somebody that's like a top trader, you know what I'm saying, and they're trading every single day and they're making gains. You just get their address, you pop it in right here, and fix the priority fee. Put the amount that you want to buy, select if you want to buy the tokens they're already holding or if you want to ignore them. And then you put your take profit percentage. You can put when it gets to 100% profit, or you can put 50% profit, 1,000% profit. You know what I mean? 10,000% profit. And then you can put 5%, 3%, or whatever your stop loss is, so that if you're taking some losses, that it stop it at a certain percentage. And then you push create. And this is in beta testing right now, but I'm definitely about to test this out because I've been waiting for this, and it's finally here. And then it's just on autopilot from there. Then you got your copy trade list. So we'll get back to some updates with this right here, right? And then over here, this is your wallet, and you just copy this address and send funds to it. As you can see, I already did that, so I'm not going to send funds again. But you just copy this address right here, and if you're in Coinbase, you transfer your Solana, or if you're in Kraken or whatever, you would transfer your Solana to this address. If you don't know how to do that, there's tons of videos. I got videos. You can look it up, ask ChatGPT, ask DeepSeek, ask anybody. And then you can withdraw. You input the amount you want to withdraw from your address, your wallet, to whatever wallet you want it to be to. You can take it back to Coinbase and figure out how to do all of that. And you put them out, and then you push withdraw, and then you're good to go. Okay. And then the other thing is the watching. Like, let's say like I'm over here and let's just pick some random token. Let's say that I want to watch this one. I can just push watch. So now it pops up right here as I'm over here looking at my portfolio up 38%. Or if I want to go check out another token, that POTUS is still right there. So if that goes up, I'm going to see it, and then I can just click on it and be like, oh, snaps, they dumped on everybody. Wow, they dumped on everybody. Whoa, what's new? So let's not watch that no more, you know? And so that's pretty much everything that you do with GBot. I know a lot of times, like with stocks, we're only able to get in. I know a lot of people do stocks. I used to do stocks, but you know, I like to have a little bit more control. With crypto, this is 24 hours a day. You can hop on and you can do this 24 hours a day. And it's like a game, really. It's like PvP. It's you versus everybody else. So get your wins, get your bag up. And let me say something else. There is a lot of racism in this space. So when you're looking on here, you may see something that offends you, and just try to have tough skin like a rhino so that you don't get so offended. just more look at the metrics, look at the numbers, look at the percentages, look at if it's got a big following, and invest likewise. You know what I mean? You can come and look at the ones that are just launched, or you can look at the ones that are about to graduate and have their liquidity deployed to to radium or whatnot. One thing I like to do with this right here is I like to look at the time: 29 minutes, 13 minutes, 44 minutes. This one might be some type of legit because it's been alive for 45 minutes, you know? So let's look at the X. It's only got 39 followers. Pam the Clown somehow turned trading into an art form while the rest of us are out here losing sleep and sanity. And so they have all the information. King of the Hill. When was this? That was 4 minutes ago. It got King of the Hill. It's only 83%, 70%. It's up 500% in the last hour. Man, so if you would have got this when it first came out, you would have been up 500%. Check that. Top 10 holders hold 17%, but the bonding curve is at 83%. So the bonding curve on Pump Fund, you can just go to Pump Fund. Watch, let's just go there. Pump.fund. We can take this address right here and we can pop it in right here in the search token. And then you see it pops up right here. And this is where you launch tokens, but you can see who's owning. The dev owns 2%, and everybody else owns 1%. That's right here, which is pretty dope. Man, this coin is kind of flying. The clown who somehow turned trading into an art form. I don't know, man. This might actually go. Let me see. Let's just wait. 100% liquidity locked. Okay, yeah, let's do it. So now you see that's how you buy. So it says successfully bought. And then we can just go to the portfolio and we're up 1% on that one already. And we got 27,000 tokens. So you never know what's going to happen. This token may hit or they may rug. But when you're here, you can copy the address and you can go to Pump Fund and put it in there. Or you can like click on it right here and it'll take you back to this space right here, you know? And like I told you, if you go to portfolio, it shows you in real time what your percentage is up, how much it's worth in real time. 1%, 0.0051. I invested 0.005. Now I'm up 8%. Check me out. Check me out. So yeah, and you can sell right here if you want to sell. You can sell right there. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's how you use Gbot. Oh, I'm up 10% now on that token. Let's check this token out right quick. Oh, somebody sold. Oh, somebody bought. They got 86% to the bonding curve. I think I might just go ahead and leave it. Oh, the dev owns 2%. This person almost owns 2%. It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10%. By these top wallets. Let me see. This might go though. Let's look at right here. Do they have a Telegram? Oh, they do got a Telegram. Let's hop in the Telegram real quick, see what they're talking about. Tap to verify. $27 members in here. Let's see what they're talking about. Done. Pamp it. we're just gonna see what it does. We'll just see what it does. Oh, dumped a little bit. Let's see. Blue, stop. Okay, so somebody's selling. We don't know who, but if we find them, we're gonna PIM them in the face for not making my bags go up. I'm still up 7% though, so we good to go. We Gucci, we Gucci. This one's up 20%. This one's up 7%, almost 8%. So yeah, so as you can see, that's how that goes. We're gonna see what it do, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description so you can use this yourself. You can watch this video back again to kind of go through. I go through everything. I went through everything and showed you. You want to go to discovery and you kind of just want to check these the audit results over here. And you just kind of want to make your own decisions based off of, if they have a picture, if they have links. Like if you look at the ones that have been around for like 283 days and different things like that, like you can see that they have pictures and links and they have a community and people that back them and support them. So that's what you kind of want to look at. Those are the things that you want to look for. If a new project is launching, then they're going to have some of those things set up. They're going to have a community and they're going to have these things. You can go to their Twitter, you can find out who they are. They're going to have a Telegram set up. They're going to have a website. These are all prerequisites. If they don't have those things, don't buy the token. What's this? You see, there's things that I look for. Like it had all the links. It had all the links. This one just popped off. What's this? Let's see. Let's go. They got 1,000 followers. Oh, but they got no interactions. And then they're another language. Yeah. So they just started scamming people this year. Oh, enter this inner circle. Wait, 30 seconds ago? Oh, craziness. Yeah, I don't know. I ain't taking no chances. Oh, look at this one going back up. Boom. This one's going down. This one may go back up though. People are probably transferring from one to the other. That's just how trading goes. You got to figure out where you want to hop in and hop out at. You got to look at the chart and just figure out what it's going to do. This one is a brand new token, so this one can literally do anything. But the FAFO looks like it's dumping right now. This looks like it's hitting. They're trying to figure out some new resistance and some new support because when I bought it, it was all the way down here. It was like low and then it started coming up. And I was like, you know what? Let me buy this. It looks like it's going to do something. And it was on the bubble maps. So I started looking at it. But it looks like it's trying to figure out some new stuff. I'm still up. I'm still up 20%. Oh, no, I'm up 1% with that one. This one is pumping now. Let's see what it do. How much time have I been recording? You know what? It don't even matter. 32%. Look at that one. This one's going down. As this one goes down, this one goes up. That's crazy. I just want to see if I hit 100%. Oh yeah, so Gemach has a competition right now going on. I don't know how much longer. If I win right now, then I win. But they got a competition going on right now that if you can record yourself getting a 10x, which is getting 100% gains, you'll win $500 in Gemach token. So use my link. If you know how to trade, if you're good at this already, you can win $500 in Gemach token. And there's a lot of utility. Just go to Gemach, GEMA. You just take the G out, all this other stuff off, and you just go to Gemach.io, and then it'll take you to the site. Okay. So yeah, man. At this point, I'm gonna hop off here, man. Use the referral link and use GBot. You don't have to worry about buying stocks when they're super expensive, and after everybody's got their hand in, you can get in the beginning. This is like buying penny stocks when these are all fractions of a penny that you can get to buy. Like I spent 0.005 and got 179. I spent the same thing and got 27,000 tokens. And so I own a large percentage. If this happens to go up to a penny, I mean, I made a pretty good investment. You know what I mean? If this happens to go up to $1, I mean, that's a pretty good investment. If it goes to a penny, that's a pretty good investment. Wait, I think this one may already be at a penny. Let's see. Almost at a penny. That'd still be a good investment if it went to a penny. It's fractions of a penny right now. So that's the upside of this. There is a big risk, but there's also big rewards, and you can kind of determine, like you see where it's at. It's at 3%, it's at 7%. You can decide to sell at any time. Just don't be greedy. So use these tools at your discretion. None of this stuff is financial advice. I probably should have said that in the beginning. I'm just doing this for educational purposes only. So, DGen and DeFi at your own risk. Rootsy is out.